It's Christmas Eve and I've been busy. So this year for Christmas, I made some peanut butter blossom cookies. Those are so good. They're pretty easy to make. I made some peanut clusters. Oh, those are delicious. Some homemade chocolate chip cookies. I made some fudge. I've got a little pan of brownies here, some gourmet brownies, and of course Rice Krispie treats, which we already dipped into. So this is my dessert selection for Christmas, and I've already fried up the Italian sausage for my stuffed shells for tomorrow, so I can start getting that ready, and I'm pretty excited about this Christmas. And here is my beautiful Christmas tree. I just love it. And then all of my elves are ready to go back to the North Pole because it is Christmas Eve. And this is their last day here. I have 8 little elves that like to come and visit us every year. And there's Vern. There's Charlie and Charlene. She's new. That's Charlie's cousin. There's Lucy and Tiny. There's Jack and cousin Willie. And right back here, that's Sarge. I love my tree. It's just one of those skinny little trees, but I really love it. And then I also have this beautiful picture. This isn't just for Christmas. This is Jesus holding a baby. And I always imagine him holding my son who passed away as an infant. And this is just a really special print that I have. My mother gave it to me. My daughter gave me an early Christmas gift. She gave me this little amigurumi elf kit, and I can't wait to unbox it on a future video. But for right now, I just wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year if I don't see you in the YouTube streets. Enjoy your holiday, be safe, and check out this little video I made for you. Merry Christmas!